Hey everybody, it is Jordan Yates, and today I want to introduce you to Peter from Sprint Robotics because they have a very exciting event coming up that I want to tell you all about. Peter, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Peter, can you tell us about this upcoming event that Sprint Robotics is putting on?
Of course. Now, we as Sprint Robotics, we are going to organize a big flagship event, our big flagship event that will take place in Houston, 10 and 11th of October. So a lot of people will be there. We're expecting 500 people. We have more than 50 exhibitors, more than 50 presentations, nice keynotes, demonstrations, keynote speeches, speed dating, because we would like to have more interaction between asset owners and service providers. So this is more or less the program that we would like to organize during these 2 very busy days at the Woodlands in Houston.
Yeah, I'm very excited that it's local to me because I love the value proposition that Sprint Robotics has and the fact that it's a huge event that's local. I'm so excited to go, and that's why I wanted to share it with my network, because a lot of my network is split between, automation, robotics, and then oil and gas. So I'm like, these guys are going to love to hear about this, especially my Houston friends. So I need to get as many people aware of this event as possible. But they don't have as much information on Sprint Robotics as I do. So could you tell them a little bit more about what you guys actually do?
Now, we as Sprint Robotics, we are a non-profit organization, and we would like to push the implementation of robotics for especially energy, oil and gas, chemical industry, by using robotics. Because by using robotics, it's more efficient, it's more safe. You do not need to expose people into a hazardous atmosphere. The data does not lie. So we're collecting a lot of data, and that's the main reason that we would like to push and implement robotics all over the world.
Absolutely, that's such a cool mission, and something that's kind of special about you guys is that not only do you have these big ideas, but you're very good at actually implementing them. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Now implementing, we would like to, we're focused on deployment, so we would like to push and implement new innovative solutions, and that's the reason that we, a couple of times per year, that we invite people, that we invite service providers, that we go to asset owners, and that we show what the service providers are able to do, because we need to convince asset owners that they're able to do it. And to be honest, that's not always so easy. Technically, I think we can do a lot, but culture change, management of change, that's something else, and that's a very important thing in Sprint Robotics, that we make a connection between asset owners, service providers, component builders, investors. So with one team, we try to push and to implement robotics.
Absolutely. And you guys have a lot of very large companies that are part of this organization, some very easy names to recognize. Can you tell us about some of the companies who are involved?
I think almost all the oil and gas companies, I think coming from the Houston area, we have Dow, we have BASF, we have Chevron, BP, Aramco, Woodside, Tupros, Aker, a lot more. I think we have as Sprint we have more than 20 big asset owners member of Sprint Robotics. So a lot.
It's exciting. I mean, it's most people's dream to even ever work with one of these companies. The fact that your organization involves all of them, like, that is amazing. There's a clear value proposition that's there that these large companies are recognizing. So kudos to you guys on that. Can you tell us about some booths that are going to be at the trade show that you're really excited to see?
A lot of different types of robots. Of course, we have the very popular quadrupeds, so the Animal X, Animal D. We have Boston Dynamics with Spot. We have crawlers, drones, of course. All different types of robots able to do, let's say, inspection and or maintenance. So a lot. I wanted to mention, I think in total we have more than 46 exhibitors. So.
Wow, that's a lot. That's exciting. I remember my first time meeting Spot from Boston Dynamics was a couple months ago, and I was like, this is amazing. It felt so exclusive. So if anybody else wants to meet Spot from Boston Dynamics, they should be going to this trade show. That would be great.
And of course, not only Spot, because we have more than 48 other exhibitors. So, but Spot will be one of them, of course.
Yeah, that's so exciting. Well, is there anything else that you want to tell people about the conference or things that you're excited about?
No, I think it's our flagship event. Once per year, we try to organize a big event. As Sprint, we also organize smaller events because we would like to push and implement robotics, and we need to go to the people in the field, asset owners. We need to convince asset owners. But yeah, once per year we organize our flagship event. So this year, Houston, a 2 days event, and we have a fantastic program. We start with a sort of a speed dating. This is what we tried when we were in Rio de Janeiro. Some asset owners and also service providers, they came to us and said, Peter, we would like to be more in contact with asset owners because we would like to talk with asset owners, and asset owners said we would like to talk with service providers. So that's the reason that we started with speed dating. Now the feedback was fantastic, and they came to us and said, Sprint, if you organize another event, please do a speed dating. So we will start with the speed dating and a networking drink. The day before the event, by the way, it's a Monday before the event. Now on Tuesday, then we'll have several keynote speakers. We have Aramco, we have as keynote, we have Chevron, and we have Petrobras from Brazil. Now as Sprint, we have 4 regions, so we would like to have speakers from, let's say, the different regions. So yes, we have speakers from Brazil, from Latin America. We have speakers from North America. We will have speakers from Europe, and we will have speakers from Latin America, from Asia Pacific. So we have a symposium with 48 presentations. We have an exhibition. We give the opportunity to our exhibitors to do a 5-minute pitch, and that's exactly 5 minutes. So I'll push the button, and then after 5 minutes, they should stop. So that's 5-minute pitches. And also a very nice event after day one would be the banquet, so a nice dinner. And during the dinner, we are going to announce the Sprint Robotics award winners. So we have three awards. And the program committee, let's say the asset owners, they voted. So there was a huge list with let's say potential winners. The asset owners, they voted, and during this networking banquet, we're going to announce the 3 winners. Very popular and always very well appreciated by the service providers. Then the next day, it's already Wednesday. We start with the keynote. We start with a fantastic presentation from Aramco, followed by keynote speakers again. We'll have Chevron and we have Petrobras, sorry. And after that, again, exhibition, symposium, panel discussion, and a tech demo. So service providers are also able to demo their new innovative solutions in a dedicated area. So that's more or less the program for these 2 days.
That sounds like jam-packed. That's going to be a lot of events worth attending. Amazing. Well, Peter, thank you so much for sharing information about this event with my network. I know they're going to be very excited to hear about this and go learn more. If they want to sign up for this event, how will they do that?
Then they can go to our website, www.sprintrobotics.org, or of course they can always send us an email, but yeah, I think the best way would be go to the website sprintrobotics.org, and you'll find all the information. Book your ticket, and don't forget, book your stay at the Woodlands, because we're staying at the Woodlands, and the program is packed. So we have a nice opportunity and a nice reduction for people who wanted to stay at the hotel. I think it's 40% reduction by head if they stay at the Marriott. So it's win-win for both. It's an event, but it's also a networking event, and with all the people staying at the same hotel, that's a great benefit for all our attendees.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much again. And guys, you heard it from Peter. If you want to go sign up, check out their website, and I guess we'll see you at the event. Bye, guys.